So for a lot of customers or distribution partners that want to do some benchtop analysis to see whether or not CO2 Sustain works in their formulations, I'm just going to run through today a quick video on how we do that with our lab solutions. These are 10% dilutions of the commercial product. Here we've got two colas that have been filled, both without any addition of CO2 Sustain. And what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to take our lab test solution here, and I'm putting in a dosage of 0.2 grams a litre for finished beverage, which, because this is a 10% test solution, translates to 2 grams a litre. And because these are 200 mil, I'm going to divide that by 5, and I'm going to add 0.4 mils of the 10% test solution to the bottom of one of these pint glasses. Now, it's really important when you add this that you don't entrap any air, because we're only measuring out a very small amount and we're adding it to the bottom of one of our glasses. With that done, I'm now going to pour and see what the effect is of adding CO2 Sustain test solution into a pint glass. So this is without anything added to the bottom. You can see the foam that's created there. And now I'm going to add with Sustain added to the bottom. You can see the difference in the foam, in the pour, and you can see that CO2 Sustain has had an obvious impact to not only the foam, but if you look from above, you will see a lot more CO2 bubbles in this beverage than that beverage. So this is how you would screen from a bench top assessment of CO2 Sustain.